Starship Titanic systems report. We have a snap, spontaneous, massive existence failure.
Oh, one more morning, I woke up to a ship crashing into my roof. Oof, titanium. Inventable the cobalt, Bob and Bombot, startling the designs of architect Leovanis. A lot of the parent. Oh, Titania, platinum starliner, arc of the cosmic void. Your engineering was sabotage, now your fate is doomed. Titania, 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 Titania. Doing Titania, solve her problems, find all her body parts, put it together, and turn her on. Titania, 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 Titania. Big budget business, be planning it floor by floor, so give me more. Titania, 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 Titania. Oh, planet Blue, by the water with Douglas Adams, Terry Jones and John Cleese. Give me a lifeboat, an escape pod, a TARDIS. Fun in the sun. Titania, 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 Titania. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop Starship Titanic. You wrapped into my heart, now you are mine. My snuff, my towel.
We're higher than a Martian flogger.
To awaken Titania, platinum starline, the arc of the cosmic void. Your engineering was sabotage, now your fate is doomed. Titania, 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 Titania. To awaken Titania, solve her problems, find all her body parts, put it together and turn her on. Titania, 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 Titania. Big budget business, be planning it floor by floor, so give me more. Titania, 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 Titania. Oh, planet Blue, by the water with Douglas Adams, Terry Jones and John Cleese. Give me a lifeboat, an escape pod, a TARDIS. Fun in the sun. Titania, 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 Titania. Starships were meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop Starship Titanic, you wrecked into my heart, now you are mine. My snuff,
My towel. We're higher than a Martian flogger.